Hi! Today I'm going to cook my version of Menudo. Hope you like it! Okay, so let's start. In your pan, put your oil. Then, we can now start sauteing our garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Cook your tomatoes until it's wilted. Then, you can now add your pork Kasim. Then, season with fish sauce, black pepper, and then add some water, just enough to cover the pork. So fry some potatoes and add it to your pork. We have to put carrots and red bell pepper, but unfortunately I have none, but the only thing is it's not that pleasing to the eyes because there's no color contrast. Add some Laurel leaf, and by the way, you can also add raisins to add sweetness to your menudo, but that's optional. Waiting for my menudo to cook. This time I'm going to cook inataang langka. I'm going to show you in the next vlog. Tender. This is just right. Yung alat niya, even the saltiness. Try this. Although kulang to, you have to add, I don't have carrots at this time, at saka you need to add red bell peppers. If you have, this will taste much better. As it is, or it's already tasty. Try it. You still have my ginataang langka. It's still cooking, so 10 more minutes. We'll see that later on. See you later.